Hey everybody, happy Saturday. Check this little guy out. I had to rescue him from two big birds trying to eat him as he ran into my garage into my glue trap. He's hanging in there. There was a second one that didn't make it. He's so tiny. But check out the situation he's in right now until I can figure out what I want to do with him. See that? Okay, let's move on. This is my avocado seed that I posted on Instagram. Look how tall it's gotten. And it's trying to leaf out. This is my blueberry situation. And I've been eating off of it for the last 2-3 weeks. And there's still more in there. And I took some off this morning. There are two varieties in here. One not blooming as yet, and two are. This is spaghetti squash and beans. I have nothing going on as far as either one as yet. So we'll see what happens. This is cucumbers, Marco 76, and lemon cucumber. It's kind of sunny, but they're trying to do it. I took one cucumber already, gave to my neighbor last weekend. This is a spaghetti squash. Getting up there. There was one on here. Can I find it? Is it still there? I guess it's gone. I don't see it. Oh well. Hopefully more will come. These three were having issues with the heat in this Texas world. That's basil and purple basil and the calla lily who's giving me seeds. Over here I have 4 sugar baby watermelon. Finally trying to take off. This is tomatoes. A type of experiment that I did from winter accidentally sowed more seeds than I needed, so I overwintered them in my little grow room, and now they're trying to give me tomatoes. Down here is a little piece that I took off of my other tomato, trying to see if it'll grow, so we'll see. Here we have beets, purple kohlrabi, nothing happening. 2 white kohlrabis, one is doing it, the other one is not. I have my onions, 3 different buckets. There's another one over there. There's my mint, tatsoi, cabbage, more cabbage, and almost ready cabbage. These 2 are Brussels sprouts. And this, what I thought was collards, Looks like they turned out to be turnips, although the tag said collards. We'll get back to that in a moment. Here is my Meyer lemon. No lemons yet. It likes to flower in the winter for some reason. And then the flowers drop off because it's, well, winter. On this table, my herbs. Let's see, lavender, rosemary, parsley, dill, and sage. These two are lettuce going to seed. Green one is romaine, store-bought, put back in the ground. And this one is red romaine, a transplant. I'm going to have some Swiss chard in there, purple cabbage, lacinato kale, doing pretty good. Not even a bug or anything on it yet. And I have my 5 broccolis. That one was trying to give me broccoli, but the bugs felt they needed it more. But it's trying to leaf out again. And here are the other 4. I believe this is collards, but you never know. Here I have my green peppers. I have 4 on there. And this is supposed to be my red peppers. I have 1. And a lot more coming. The one down there I'm taking... Oh, it fell off. Okay. Alright, moving on. This is my red Russian kale. I've already harvested on it earlier today. I'll show you that in a minute. I took out my garlic and onions as well. Probably put those cabbages in here. We'll see. This is my red hibiscus. My new grapevine, coming in yellow for some reason, but still growing. I did add coffee grounds and compost, so we'll see. My rose bush, trying to get another rose. Angel trumpet, purple, giving me seeds and giving me 2 more flowers. This is my super sweet 100 cherry tomatoes. I've already took a lot off of it today. You'll see that in a moment. Still more coming. Down here's my lime tree, just purchased not too long ago. So I'll have to up-pot that. And behind her is my Jamaican roselle. Starting to get calyx on it. Sorry y'all, got buzzed. Something buzzed me. Okay. Situated again. Alright. Here is my black mission fig tree. No figs on it. Just leaf after leaf after leaf keeps coming. Peach tree. No peaches yet. Not a one since I had it in 2 years. At the same time I bought a pomegranate tree. And look at this. What is that? What is it? What are those? Am I getting pomegranates? I think so. We shall see. Alright. Here we got my flower garden. Hostas, Easter lily, daylily. And this was supposed to be a bunch of flowers that I put seeds in there. Only the back row came up. I have 2 left of my 5 strawberries. That one almost tried to leave me too, but it's coming back. So, we shall see. And last but not least, this is my harvest for today. Kale, onion, and that was supposed to be my collards. Looks like a turnip, I believe. I haven't grown one yet, so I guess I did now. And you'll see my blueberries in there. That's right, my blueberries. And you'll see those little thingies on the garlic. I never see too many people talk about that. But my buddy Shirley gave me some of those a couple of years back when I didn't have a whole lot grow space. Those are garlic seeds grown underground and the garlic grows attached to it like that. So when you dig them up and shake the dirt off, check your dirt. They're probably in there. That's all I have, folks. Thank you for watching. Do come again. Bye.